Okay, it's July 2, year 2011. Let me show you one of the contestants here. It's the youngest helicopter flyer, one of the best there. Look at this, fly by one of the youngest flyer here in Manila. This kid's from Thailand? Thailand. What's your name?
My name is Iskan.
Huh?
My name is Iskan.
Iskan. Iskan. His name is Iskan. Let's look at what he did. I can't believe it, huh? Look like he's really the youngest flyer. I guess he surpassed Chi, one in the US. Thank you. Okay, see us in YouTube. Thank you.